Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today we're working on this 1957 Chevy Pickup. Now we're actually going to take this out using the Paintless Dent Repair method. This is actually at a local body shop. They actually sent the vehicle out to have some work done on it at another shop, not related to body work. It came back with this dent in the hood. So they were not very happy about that. They called us to do paintless dent repair on it, so we're going to go ahead and fix this damage by pushing out the metal and getting it all completely straight again. Here's the finished results on it. As you can see, it came out really nice. We're able to fix dents and dings on older vehicles, newer vehicles, motorcycle gas tanks, motorcycle fenders, all sorts of things. If you've got any type of similar damage, go ahead and give us a call at 605-595-4061. We'd be happy to talk with you. Thanks.